she go shine her eye, put inside this matter this morning. Her name na Obiamaka Aga. See the twinkle in my eyes when I call your name. I can't bend head. Obiamaka Aga. Ah, fine woman. We go better school. Come become Ogbonge head. Hey! See your CV now. My name na Precious. Good morning. Good to see your beautiful face and your fine smile this morning. All this plenty association, all this plenty association and litigation and women and see the grammar then why you speak am. We could litigate this girl child marriage now and see how we can litigate it out of the way. All right, so girl child marriage. How you see the one way be say traditional rulers when you say Enugu State don't come say may they stop them. How the matter be for your side?
They do the matter very well. You know, say this girl child marriage. No be today we start to talk about them more. Like since 2003 for this our Obodo Nigeria, we don't get law take for that 2003. We talk say girl child marriage they bad. So now from that 2003, other states go now they do their own laws, small. We go stop the same thing. So for Enugu don't try. At least their own law na 2016. And this traditional ruler people we talk now just last week they talk But you know say for Nigeria we don't they talk and since make we end up. So but see they good though say they don't join body for the
okay, so now welcome development be that.
Yes.
Okay, so, a lot of people they confused first of all because we know say the maturity age, the adult age for Nigeria are 18 years. So according to your point, from the legal point of view, what will be the real right age where women supposed marry now? Based on the abolishment of this girl child marriage.
For this our Obodo Nigeria, you know say people get different interests where they want protect. Example now, if you come for, you know, everything what we do for Nigeria. He get law where they protect that one. Now, this marriage thing, he get the one where they call Marriage Act, where they control the marriage where they Nigeria, so all the legal marriage. And age where they put there now 21. So
you mean,
if you never even reach 21, you're not supposed to enter any contract with anybody. Yeah? Then the same people can't go right there, say if you get parental consent, they wed you. Now our child right law, don't talk and stay. Children are people way down 18. Where you're not even supposed to tell any sexual anything to. So tell me now, children are supposed to wait till 21. I don't know what they pursue this parent up and down. Yeah? Make them allow them. So
now adult age now 18. And then the right age for consent for marriage now supposed to be 21. So that means legally for inside Nigeria, the ripe age for any girl to marry now 18. We could take them back to our time then we be say our mama then day. Some of our mama then go to say, I start to born my children early. Do born early, may your body cover well. May your children for grow to take care of you and all that. You see so many families, even though say the law don't dey in place, and because one thing not to get law, one thing not to keep the law or maintain the law. So you see so many families are accepting this abolishment if you finally work. If other states have finally adopted them?
Well, family, you know, one thing we say, most people never even understand, say, law, they control everything where they do to children. You know, say, not be everybody take understand that yet. So maybe now the time, if we fit explain to them the way they go fit understand that, say, now this thing na to help you, not be say you go born. If you born them 10, and not those 10 children no get head for future. Waiting you can't get. If you born them. Some go die, some go lost self. Yeah? Waiting person go benefit. You know go benefit our country, you know go benefit the parents. So now the main coconut to go down for everybody house. Can't explain the matter very well. Not be say you go just tell them law go punish, law go. No, we go tell them why you know they good before law can enter the matter. So naive.
So you mean say to create proper awareness, right? Be the cocoa.
Na
Maybe
im
the
be the
normal thing
cocoa.
we're supposed to do to educate parents
Yes.
them and all of that.
Yes.
So you feel say now talking about that matter now, you feel say lack of education, illiteracy, na part of the reason we're making people be they give their children out early enough for marriage. You think so?
And in fact, na the major reason. Na the major reason. Because that illiteracy go still cause poverty on top. You don't know the opportunity where they need. You don't know any. In fact, illiteracy na im cause everything. You don't even know. You don't understand what you want to do. Why you want even do it? They don't know. Their own is I no get money. I'm hungry. Make I give, or maybe I owe Oga Okonkwo. Make I give Oga Okonkwo my one pikin. After all, I get them for 6. So why you born? Why you even come world the same? Why you even there Nigeria? You don't understand. You don't even understand what you suppose. In fact, illiteracy now. You see, education of the girl child na very serious matter.
I be even ask you that matter, self. Say it is important to begin educate our girls' children.
Very, very important. In fact, not just the normal education classroom, okay, and this subject to teach. In fact, CSOs, NGOs, everybody, traditional rulers, religious bodies, everybody, any opportunity where you get to talk to small kid, girl, boy, tell them the truth. Tell them, say, if you don't know where they go, how you feel lead another person? Yeah, blind person they lead another one. Now they cause the problem. Yeah?
Okay,
and
so
yes.
Okay, so as we talk this matter now concerning girl-child marriage, especially now for some parts of the country where it be like say it is like saying a normal thing. In fact, almost every part of Nigeria, somehow we they give our children out at very early age. It gets relationship where this early marriage gets to the fundamental human rights of these women where they give out early. It affects their human rights in any way.
Okay, see, the main cocoa law will hold the whole Nigeria together. That's our constitution. It can't give us rights as human beings. Yeah? Especially that right to dignity of a human person and freedom of movement. Now you're gonna carry your picking, your daughter. You don't even know where she go. You go just come dash onto one man. We go flog am morning, flog am night, beat am on top, give am belle, no gree make she go outside. Which can not be slavery. I've been married, me and never. Because this young girl, not be married with that too. Now slavery. So it's an infringement on their human rights. Yeah? Human being go just sit and say, this one, you know, get sense. Yeah? When our children get sense, children don't even get their own parliament now. Yeah,
and as you don't talk about children parliament now, Seth, it don't come remind me for my next question. Now, some of these young children, when they say they push enter this marriage, some of them they enter unwillingly. In fact, 90% of them they willing to enter this marriage. Now, out of how we go do, make I obey my parents, because for Africa we need to disobey our parents. So they get rights to probably run to anybody, get any organization where they feel run to seek for legal help or anything like that.
Where they go feel run. They get them for plenty. In fact, when you say go, WACO, Women Aid Collective, we even call these traditional rulers for conference. They there. In fact, one phone call away, once you call them or you go to their office for upper team Enugu, that's upper team New Heaven Enugu, then go rush into the matter. In fact, the person will get the WACO now, my own professor, my own lecturer for school. So she don't get the matter. In fact,
so they go feel help a girl like that now. So people like that now figure help. For other states in call, it get different bodies than where you know for other states or on the federal level. Or for federal level where person fits call for help for that kind of thing.
On federal level, Ministry of Women Affairs, you feel reports. That one at federal level. You feel tell them. Then if you go from state to state, all the ministries that they also took her inside the matter. Lagos State, we have Ministry of Youth and Social Development. For Enugu State, we get them for Ministry of Gender Affairs. All these people, every single state get them for ministry where go reports. Because women matter and children matter. If they don't discuss them way back. Don't be today it starts. So people we go listen to the matter. We go do something. Then NGOs, CSOs full everywhere. We get one NGO now, that network of NGOs where they protect children. Child Protection Network is in all the states. Or is the African Women Lawyers Association? They are there. Or is the Federation of International Female Lawyers in every state? So if you feel safe, they don't package you. My sister, as then they keep you for that place, just reverse. Do you turn? Whether you get phone or you not get phone, just find a way to enter anywhere, contact any of these organizations. Go see how they go handle the matter.
Thank you so much. Shabina Barrister, I call you Barrister.
Yes.
Because you know, so I like that title well. I don't go feed the address like this without the title. He go Tarayana school. You go to school, get them. So it is something that is your title. So Barrister Obiamaka Aga, thank you plenty as if we lost sit and talk this matter. And you will be say you they watch us, you don't hear him say, if you be say you be mother, where be say maybe somehow or God at the top don't talk, say carry your pikin, give them out at 10 years, 12 years, 15 years, see breast don't fall everywhere, make you give them out for marriage. And if you say you, mama, the thing no sweetie for body, but until say you no go disobey your husband, you don't know what to do. You can't obey and all of that. Oh yeah, sharply. Say feeder, women lawyers, they full everywhere. Just Google, or find person where you go tell another person, may they give help for that your picking, because it better may your picking go school, become woman from age 21 upward. Now so our marriage, I talk and say picking supposed to reach before it begin to marry, so that we no go they stop our children life all of a sudden because of say we give them out in marriage very early. Barrister Obiamaka, thank you plenty as you follow me sit down this morning. I appreciate